We are going to make dates and almond chocolate. For that we need almond or some dates, some almonds, and some little melted dark compound or dark chocolate and foil paper. I have two Kimaya's date. You can take any dates. Let's start. First we will take the date, and from middle we will chop the date and remove the seeds. Like you see how I'm removing the seeds. We'll remove these seeds, and I will put one almond inside in the dates, and we'll cover the dates with almond, and we'll roll it with little bit with hand. Okay, like this, and we'll keep aside. Same way I will do the rest of all the dates. Once again I'm showing you one. I'm removing this seed, as you can see, putting almond inside and just rolling it so that my almond is covered, gets it covered. I will do it the rest all this. As you can see, I have completed doing all the almonds or dates, putting all almonds inside. Now let's do further one. Now I'm taking one dates and putting it in the melted chocolate dark compound. Just roll it and take it. Remove it out from the chocolate, melted in from melted chocolate. Just like this, we'll remove all the excess chocolate and just will put it on the foil paper. If you have butter paper, you can keep it on that also. Again taking one, covering the dates with chocolate properly, removing the excess chocolate from the dates and putting on the foil paper. We'll do all the rest like this. As you can see, I have completed all this chocolate. Now I will keep in the fridge for 5 minutes to set all the chocolates. I will show you after 5 minutes. You can see after 10 minutes I have removed from the fridge. All the chocolates have been set. Now I'm removing one by one. It's coming it easily out. You can just see. Now what I is incomplete. So we will just cut it little and give the shape. Excess chocolate I'm removing by cutting, so it will look like, you can see I have cut the edges. I have cut the edges. Now we will do the wrapping. For that we get a chocolate wrapping paper in the market. It is easily available. In that you get the just press little bit so that while removing from the excess water which comes from while removing from the freeze, you have to dab it. And now take the wrapping paper, put the opposite direction of chocolate and just fold it and wrap it. Now you just Tape it for night. As you see, I've completed this chocolate wrap and see how delish looking nicely.